Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, and today's session let us discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. The most important question which has given in previous year public examinations. The method number 1 is find the value of k. The following system of equations has unique solution. Okay, the condition is what? Unique solution. Actually, when the given system of equations has unique solution, the condition for unique solution is a1 by a2, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 represents a pair of linear equations in two variables. So then the condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the given system of equations has unique solution. So given system of equations are here: x minus ky equal to 2, and the second one is 3x plus 2y equal to minus 5. Okay. So I can write as x minus ky plus 2 you transpose minus 2 which is equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. And coming to second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 5 if you transpose, it will become plus 5 equal to 0. And comparing with the pair of linear equations in two variables, and what is the coefficient of x here? Here nothing in the sense 1. So our a1 value is 1. And the coefficient of y is here k, and b1 equal to minus k, and the constant c1 equal to minus 2. Now coming to second equation, 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. If you compare with a pair of equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, our a2 value is 3 and b2 value is 2 and c2 value is 5. The condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, right? That is the condition for unique solution. So let us see now a1 by a2, as our a1 value 1 by 3 is not equal to our b1 value minus k by 2. So cross multiplication, 3 into minus k, that is minus 3k, is not equal to 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. As here minus 3 is multiplying, transpose k is not equal to 2 divided by minus 3. So I can write as k is not equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is the condition for unique solution. So what is the value of k they are asking? So here in this case the value of k, it must be not equal to minus 2 by 3. Children, condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Right? Now coming to the second question. Here the given system of equations are 3x plus my equal to 10 plus 10 you transpose towards left hand side, it will become minus 10 equal to 0. Second equation is 9x plus 12y equal to 30, transpose, it will become minus 30 equal to 0. Here in this case we need to find the value of m, children. Find the value of m here. The following system of equations has unique solution. We know the condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. You have to remember this, right? Here in this second case, our a1 value is 3 and a2 value is 9 is not equal to b1 value is m and b2 value is 12. Is it clear? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So as 3 table, 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So 1 by 3 is not equal to m by 12. So I can cancel 3 table, 3 1 jar, 3 4 jar. So as 1 by 1 is not equal to m by 4. So cross multiplication 1 into m is not equal to 4 into 1, 4. When m is not equal to 4, the given system of equations has unique solution. Okay. Now coming to third problem. Here find the value of p children. Here actually we have to find out the value of p. The same method, the given system of equations has unique solution. So here in this case find the value of k. Here in this case find the value of m. And here in this case we have to find the value of p. They may ask any method, any value, either k or p or m or s, whatever it may be. But the condition for unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. As a1 value is 2 by a2 value is 3 is not equal to b1 value is p and b2 value is 3. Right? So this is easy only, as I can cancel 3 denominators. I mean 2 is not equal to p. So if p is not equal to 2, then the given system of equations has unique solution. So this is the most important question that may be asked in public examinations. Okay. Now coming to second one, find the value of k for which the pair of equations represents parallel lines. Here, what is the condition here? The condition is parallel lines. Do you know what is the condition parallel lines? The condition for parallel line is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That is the condition for parallel lines, right? So here given system of equations are 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, and the second equation is 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. Represents pair of parallel lines. So the condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equal to, here b1 value is minus k and b2 value is 6 is not equal to c1 value is 3 and c2 value is minus 5. Okay. So let me equate these two. That is 2 by 4 is equal to minus k divided by 6. As 2 table, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. Right? Now let us cross multiplication. 2 into minus k minus 2k equal to 6 into 1, 6. As minus 2 is multiplying transpose, so k equal to 6 by minus 2. 2 table, 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. So k equal to 3 by minus 1, I can write as minus 3. Right? So as the value of k is minus 3, then the given system of equations has, they represents pair of parallel lines. Right? This is our second condition. Now coming to third one, for what value of k the pair of equations represents coincident lines. Coincident lines means they lies both on each other on the same line. Right? So the condition for coincident lines is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All three are equal. Right here. So here a1 is 3 and a2 is 9 equal to b1 is 4 and b2 equal to 12 equal to c1 is 2 and c2 is k. Is it clear? a1 by a2 3 by 9 is equal to b1 by b2 4 by 12 equal to c1 by c2 2 by k. Right? I can equate either first and third or second and third. Anything I can equate. Right? Let me equate first one and third one. 3 by 9 equal to 2 by k. 3 1 jar, 3 3 jar. Cross multiplication, k into 1 k equal to 3 into 2 6. So what is the value of k? As the value of k is 6, then the given system of equations represents coincident lines. As we have discussed in this topic, first one is unique solution. The condition for unique solution is A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition for unique solution. Coming to second one, parallel lines. Condition for parallel lines is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. And the condition for coincident lines is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. These are the three conditions which are most important concepts. They may ask for 2-mark questions or else 4-mark question. Okay, children? Now coming to concept number 2, that is substitution method and elimination method. So these are the most important 4-mark questions. Elimination method and substitution method. They'll ask the question, solve the following pair of equations by either elimination method or substitution method. Okay, let us discuss both the methods here. So given system of equations are 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and the second one is 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. They are the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so first one, let us discuss elimination method. Given system of equations are 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and second one is 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Right? Here in this case we need to check whether the coefficient of x and y are equal or not. See here, x coefficient is 2 here, whereas in second equation x coefficient is 3. Are they equal? No. Now coming to y coefficient, here the coefficient of y is nothing in the sense 1, and the coefficient of y is here minus 2. Are they equal? No. Then what we need to do? We need to equate either x coefficient or y coefficient. Right? So here I have 2, but whereas in equation number 1 I have only 1. So what I want to do? Let us multiply equation number 1 into 2. Now what will happen? This 2 will be multiplied to 2x. 2 into 2x, that is 4x, plus 2 into y, that is 2y, minus 2 into 5, minus 5 into 2, 5 to the 10, that is equal to 0. Now coming to equation number 2, 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now you check out, here the y coefficient 2 here y coefficient 2. If the coefficients are equal, we can either add or we can subtract according to the situation, right? Here we have plus and minus. Let us add these two equation. Here we are adding, right? So plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. 4x plus 3x, that is equal to 7x. Minus 10 minus 4, that is minus 14 equal to 0. So 7x minus 14 you transpose, it will become plus 14. So 7x equal to 14, therefore x equal to 14 divided by 7. As 7 tables, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So what is the value of x? As we got x value is 2. Now what we need to do? We need to substitute x is equal to 2 either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So let us substitute. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 or 2, any equation, right? Let me substitute in equation number 2. As our equation number 2 is 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. We got the value of x 3 into 2 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 3 into 2, 3 to the 6 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 6 6 minus 4 that is 2. 2 minus 2y equal to 0. Minus 2y you transpose, it will become plus 2y. As 2 is multiplying, 2 divided by 2 that is equal to y. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. So what is the value of y? As the value of y is 1. So we got the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. In this way, we can solve the system of equations by using elimination method. Elimination method is little bit easy only. Now let us go with substitution method. The same system of equation, let us go with the substitution method. How to solve the given system of equations by using substitution method. Okay. What we have to do in substitution method, we need to convert either any of the equation y equal to in terms of x. Okay, let me convert here. So this is our equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is 2x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0, right? So what I want to do, if you observe here carefully, let me put y as it is. This minus 5 if you transpose, it will become plus 5. And this plus 2x you transpose towards right hand side, it will become minus 2x. So what is the value of y now? Y equal to, we got 5 minus 2x. Children, are you understanding? We are converting either any of the equation. You can convert either equation number 1 or equation number 2. That is your choice. But what to do? We need to convert it into the form of y equal to in terms of x, right? We got y value 5 minus 2x. Now substitute y equal to 5 minus 2x either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So let me substitute y equal to 5 minus 2x in equation number 2. This is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, we call it as equation number 3. Okay, what I am doing? Put y equal to 5 minus 2x in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 3x minus 2y. As y value is what? As the value of y is 5 minus 2x minus 4, that is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 into 5, 2 5 are 10, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 2 2 are 4x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x plus 4x that is 7x minus 10 minus 4 that is equal to minus 14 equal to 0. Minus 14 you transpose, it becomes plus 14. As 7 is multiplying, transpose, it divides, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. So what is the value of x? As the value of x is 2. Right? Now put x equal to 2 in equation number 3. Put x equal to 2 in equation number 3. As equation number 3 is y equal to 5 minus 2x. As the value of x is 2. So y equal to 5 minus 2 into 2. Y equal to 5 minus 2 2 ja 4. Y equal to 5 minus 4 which is equal to 1. So x value is 2 and the value of y is 1. So this is our substitution method. Okay, I hope you understood both the methods. Let us go with one more example so that you will understand clearly. Okay, so equation number 2 is second one, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Let me write as 2x plus 3y plus 12, if you transpose it will become minus 12 equal to 0. And coming to second equation, 3x plus 2y plus 13, if you transpose it becomes minus 13 equal to 0. Right? Now first let us go with substitution method. Right? Now what I want to do, this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2. equation number 1, let us convert it into the form of y equal to in terms of x. If you observe equation number 1 carefully, 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Let me put 3y as it is. Minus 12 if you transpose, it will become plus 12. Plus 2x if you transpose, it will become minus 2x. 3y, right? 3 into y. 3 is multiplying. Transpose y equal to 12 minus 2x divided by 3. 12 minus 2x by 3. Now what to do? Put y equal to 12 minus 2x by 3 in equation number 2. What is equation number 2? 3x plus 2y. Value of y is 12 minus 2x by 3 minus 13 equal to 0. Okay. Now, here nothing in the sense 1. Here also nothing in the sense 1. As the LCM of 1, 3, 1 is 3. 1 3s are 3. Into 3 into 3, 3 1s are 3, into 1 into 1, 1 3s are 3, into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9x plus 2 into 12, 12 2s are 24 minus 2 into 2x, 2 2s are 4x minus 13 3s are 39, that is equal to 0. Right? Now cross multiplication. 3 into 0, it becomes 0. 9x minus 4x, that is equal to 5x. 24 minus 39, 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. That is 5x minus 15 equal to 0. Minus 15 if you transpose, it becomes plus 15. 5x equal to 15. So x equal to 15 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So value of x is 3. We got the value of x 3. Right? Now put x is equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in equation number 3. So as the equation number 3 is what? Y equal to 12 minus 2x. X value 3 by 3. So y equal to 12 minus 2 3 is 6 by 3. 12 minus 6, 6 by 3, 3 1 is 3 2 is. So what is the value of y? As the value of y is 2 and the value of x is 3. Right? This is our substitution method. Okay? For the same problem, let us go with elimination method as well as system of equations. 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. Again here, if you observe the coefficient of x here the coefficient of x is 2, here the coefficient of x is 3. They are not equal. Here the coefficient of y is 3, here the coefficient of y is 2. They are also not equal. So what to do? We need to equate either x coefficient or y coefficient. What I want to do, let us multiply equation number 1 into 3. If I multiply into 3, 3 into 2, it will become 6x. If I multiply 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9y. If I multiply 3 into 12, 3 12s are 36, that is equal to 0. In order to make it as coefficient of x is 6, I want to multiply equation number 2 into 2. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4y minus 13 2s are 26, that is equal to 0. Now if you observe there, x coefficients are equal now, right? So let me subtract. When we subtract, signs changes, right? So plus 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. 9y minus 4y, that is equal to 5y minus 36 plus 26, that is minus 10 equal to 0. So 5y minus 10 if you transpose, it will become plus 10. Y equal to 10 by 5, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So what is the value of 5? As the value of y is 2, right? Now put y equal to 2 in equation number 1 or equation number 2. As equation number 1 is 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 2x plus 3 into y value 2 minus 12 equal to 0. 2x plus 3 to the 6 minus 12 equal to 0. 2x plus 6 minus 12, that is minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x minus 6, if you transpose, it will become plus 6. So x equal to 6 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So the value of x is what? 3. In both the cases, we got the same value, right? So this is the most important method. In this year, they will ask compulsory both substitution, either substitution method or elimination method. Okay, you have to practice, then easily you will get the good marks, right? Now coming to one more important topic, find the solution of x plus 2y equal to 10 and 2x plus 4y equal to 8 graphically. We have three types of methods. One is algebraic method. The second one is graphical method. In algebraic method, we have substitution method and elimination method. And the second one is graphical method. We need to solve the given system of equations graphically. And this is the most important questions they will ask in public examination questions, right? So let us take, for example, you take third equation, third problem, 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So this is our third problem. Let us solve them graphically. Also let us find the solution by using graph paper, right? So this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Let us find the coordinates of both the equations, right? X coordinate, y coordinate. So first case, as let me take x value 0. Our equation number 1 is 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Let me take x value 0. 3 into 0 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. As 3 0 is 0, minus y minus 2 equal to 0. 0 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Minus y equal to minus 2 if you transpose 0 plus 2. As minus y equal to 0 plus 2, that is 2. Therefore, what is the value of y? Y value is minus 2. When x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? The value of y is minus 2. Right? Now, what I want to do, let me substitute in place of y 0. Right? So, our equation is what? Our equation is 3x minus, as y value 0, minus 2 equal to 0. So 3 into x, 3x only, minus 0 minus 2, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x minus 2 if you transpose, it will become plus 2. So 3x equal to 0 plus 2, 2. So x is equal to 2 by 3. So what is 2 by 3? 2 divided by 3, 0.36 18 to 0.66. So let us consider this is our 0.6. Right? So when x is equal to 0, our coordinate is minus 2. When y equal to 0, our coordinates are 0.6 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2. Okay? This is equation number 1. Now coming to equation number 2. Again let us find out coordinates to 0. Our equation number 2 is 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. I mean 2 into x value 0 plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So 2 into 0 0, y minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 if you transpose, it will become plus 8. When x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? As the value of y is 8, right? Now, what we will do, let us take y value 0, 2x plus y value 0 minus 8 equal to 0. 2x 0 minus 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 if you transpose, it will become plus 8. So x equal to 8 divided by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. So what is the value of x? As the value of x is 4. Right? We got both the coordinates. Let us plot the points on the graph. Right? So according to the mathematical terminology, this board you consider as a plane. This vertical line is called as y-axis. And this horizontal line is called as x-axis. This is x dash, y dash. Okay? On x-axis, let us 1 centimeter equal to take 1 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So scale is what? On x-axis, we took 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now coming to y, on y-axis, let us take 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So what we did on y-axis, we took 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Okay. So what is our first coordinate? Our first coordinate is 0, minus 2. Second coordinate is 0.6, 0. Let us plot these points on the graph. 0, minus 2. 0 on x-axis and minus 2 on y-axis. So this is our minus 2. 0, minus 2. And the second one is on x-axis 0.6 and on y-axis 0. 0.6 is nothing but 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. This is our 0.6, 0. Okay. Let us join these points. So this is our line 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now coming to second equation, our points are 0, 8 and 4, 0. On x-axis 0 and on y-axis 8. On x-axis 0 and y-axis 8. This is 0, 8. And coming to second coordinates 4, 0. On x-axis 4 and y-axis 0. Right? Let us join these points. This is our second line, represents 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. If you observe this, the given system of equation, they are going to intersect at this point. If you observe this, they are going to intersect at this point. And the intersection point is, if we join this, an x-axis 2 and on y-axis it intersect at point 4. So the solution is what? The solution is 2, 4, right? So you have to write solution also. Solve them graphically, they said, that is 2, 4. So children, solving the given system of equations graphically is easy. This year they may ask for 8 mark question, simple. In first equation, x is equal to 0, y value will find out, y equal to 0, x value will find out. At the same time, second equation, when x is equal to 0, you will find y value, and y equal to 0, you will find x value. So that you will get the, they may intersect at one point, or they may be parallel lines, they may be coincident lines. So in this case, we have considered second equation, this given system of equation, we solve them graphically. They are what? They are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. When they are intersecting lines, they will be having unique solution. The solution is what? 2, 4. Right? So this is our second one. Now let us solve the first one. The given system of equations, x plus 2y equal to 10, and the second one is 2x plus 4y equal to 8. Okay, let us solve these two equations. The same method. First let us take x value 0 plus 2y equal to 10, 0 plus 2y equal to 10, 2 multiplying transpose y equal to 10 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So what is the value of y? Y value 5. When x is equal to 0, the value of y is 5. Okay. Now let us put y value 0. Equation is x plus 2 into 0 equal to 10. 2 0 is 0. X plus 0 equal to 10. As x plus 0 is x, that is 10. Right? This is our first coordinates. Easily we got here in this case. Now coming to second equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 8. Let us take x value 0. 2 into 0 plus 4y equal to 8. 2 0 is 0 plus 4y equal to 8. Add 0 plus 4y equal to 8. So y equal to 8 divided by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So what is the value of y? Y value is 2. Right? Now substitute y value 0. I mean 2x plus 4 into y 0. 2x plus 4 0 is 0. 2x equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So what is the value of x? X value is 4. Right? So easily we got the coordinates. So what we will do here in this problem, an x-axis also will take 1 centimeter equal to, let us take 2 units. As well as on y-axis also, let us take 2 units, right? Now our coordinates are 0, 5, 10, 0, right? 0, 5. On x-axis 0. On y-axis 5. 5 is lies between 4 and 5. This is our 0, 5. And second coordinate is 10, 0. On x-axis 10. And on y-axis 0. So this is our point 10, 0. Let us join these 2 points. This line represents x plus 2y equal to 10. Right? And second coordinate is 0, 2. On x-axis 0 and y-axis 2. Second one is 4, 0. On x-axis 4. On y-axis is 0. So let us join these 2 points. So this represents 2x plus 4y equal to 8. If you observe this, the given system of equations, are they intersecting? No, they are not intersecting. They are what? Actually, they are parallel lines. Hence, they will not intersect at any point. There is no solution. No solution. And we have to write scale as well as. On x-axis also we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. And also on y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Right? Then ask questions like this. Solve the given system of equations graphically and also find the solution of the equation. So this is one of the question. Now coming to one more equations, let us solve. The equations are what? X plus 3y equal to 6. X plus 3y equal to 6. Second one is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Right? Same method. You take one time x is equal to 0 and another time y equal to 0. If you take x value 0 here, 0 plus 3y equal to 6. 0 plus 3y, 3y. 3y equal to 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Y value how much? Y value is 2. If you take x0, sorry, y0, x plus 3 into 0 equal to 6. 3 into 0, 0. X plus 0, x. So x value how much? X value 6. Right? Now coming to second equation. If you take x value 0, this term will become 0. Minus 3y equal to 12. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So the value of y is how much? Minus 4. Right? Now suppose if you take y value 0, if you take y value 0, 2x, this term will become 0 equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So how much we got? X is equal to 0 means y value minus 4. When y equal to 0, x value is 6. Let us plot the points. 0, 2. 0, 2. On x-axis 0, on y-axis 2. This is 0, 2. And the next one is 6, 0. This is our 6, 0. Let us join. This is our equation. X plus 3y equal to 6. The second one is 0, minus 4. On x-axis 0, on y-axis minus 4. The next one is 6, 0 means here only. Right? Let us join. This is our second equation. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. I mean, if you observe the given system of equations, they intersect at this point. They both intersect at this point. So this is our solution of the equation, that is 6, 0. Our solution set is 6, 0. If you solve them algebraically, also you will get the same answer. Right? So they are intersecting lines. And the solution set for the given system of equations is 6, 0. And the coming to scale, as we have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. and on y-axis also we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, right? So in this way they will ask questions in the public examination. These are the type of questions that may ask in chapter number 4, pair of linear equations in two variables. Children, I hope you understood today's session clearly. Concept is clear. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends. Thank you, children.